This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by configuring the canvas. Open PowerPoint and set slide size to match your monitor or capture device. This prevents cropping. Once done, choose a large sans serif font and raise line spacing so words flow smoothly line to line. Make each cue a short paragraph on its own slide so you can control pacing. Also disable animations. They interfere with continuous scrolling. Now save a copy specifically for teleprompting so you can fine-tune without altering your presentation. Next, transform slides into a smooth teleprompter stream. Export your slides to PDF and re-import, or open that PDF in an app that supports continuous vertical scrolling. This gives steady movement. Alternatively, within PowerPoint use, slide show settings for a kiosk loop and set very slow transitions between slides to simulate scrolling. Make sure timing is longer than your expected read speed and test by speaking aloud. If transitions feel jumpy, adjust slide content or use a dedicated teleprompter app for frame-accurate. Finally, set your control method and rehearse until it feels natural. You can advance slides manually with a clicker, keyboard, or foot pedal for real-time control. This often beats automatic timing. Make micro-adjustments to transition duration or scroll speed between runs so lines appear just before you need them. Record a test clip to verify framing and monitor reflection. If performance stutters, reduce screen resolution, close other apps, or disable hardware graphics acceleration. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.